Good morning, my YouTubian friends. Today, we're going to talk about easy ways, some tips to work on your distributor, points, easy replacement, pulling distributor out without having to use a timing light. Let's get to work. Alright, so here we have a brand new distributor with point setup. I'm currently running the Petronix ignition in mine. However, my spare distributor ended up going to Julian from the other week. His distributor shaft was bad, the lobes were worn, and that was causing our intermittent miss. So he got my spare distributor, and in turn, they decided to ship me a brand new one. So he got a Bosch, I got a Chinese, but hey, you know what? These still work pretty good. Now, first things first, when you first get your distributor out of the box, out of the bag, don't just assume it's good. Let's go ahead and put this up on the lobe. There we go, points are open. Let's take a 16 thousandths inch feeler gauge, put it in there. Yep, this one's actually really close. Really close. A little bit extra there, but we'll go and adjust that and make it good. But here's the trick. With your distributor, when you pull the distributor out of the case, because this is off center, here's your distributor drive gear. If you notice that's off center, your distributor can only go in one way. And because of that, I find the easiest thing to do is get yourself a spare clamp. Put the spare clamp on there. Then what you do is remove the 113 millimeter. This will come up out of the case. You can work on it, do what you need to do, drop it back in place. You never loosen the clamp and adjust your timing. It always goes back in the same spot. Here, let's go over to the car and I'll show you what I'm talking about. All right, here we are at the car looking. And to be honest with you, my big head gets in the way. And it's really difficult for me, personally, to kind of get my head. That's about what I'm looking at. It's really difficult to see exactly what I'm doing with the distributor in and the deck lid on. Again, like I said, I'm running Petronix ignition, works really well, but I do enjoy having points in a condenser with me for a backup. In case that module goes out, bam, I'm back up and running. But having it already preset in another distributor makes me up and running even faster. So if you look right down there, that's your distributor hold down clamp. Let's see if we can, there we go. That one right there, it's your distributor hold down clamp. That 113 millimeter enables you to pull that distributor very easily. What I like to use, 1/4 inch drive, 6-inch extension, and a 13 millimeter socket. Let me show you how easy this is. All right, let's pull this distributor. First things first, I already took off the cap. Take off my positive. Take off my negative. And I take my 1/4 inch drive, my 13 millimeter. See how easy that is to get in there? There we go. Pull the cap out of the way, grab the nut. Got it. Put that off to the side, and then I'll hold my washer and just wiggle it on up. That's it. Distributor's out. Now look, we can work on it, do what we need to do, and because the clamp's already on there, our timing stays the same. Makes it so easy just to drop back in, set the rotor, bam, it's on. That's it. That's all there is to it. So if you watched one of my previous videos about parts you should carry when driving an old Volkswagen, you know you should be carrying a spare points and condenser, especially if you run points and condenser. What makes it easier is by having a whole nother distributor, I can just pull this one out, drop the other one in, tighten the bolt, throw the cap back on, fire it up, drive away. Can't get much easier than that. So guys, I really hope this was beneficial for you. I hope this information was useful. Maybe took out some of the confusion on pulling a distributor and having to have a timing light. I also hope it answers some of the questions I've been getting. So anyway, I really hope you guys have a good week. Happy Sunday. And I've got a couple things in the works right now. Looks like this month's going to be pretty busy. So I should be back to normal video recordings, which is a plus. Also, to the new subscribers, I appreciate you very much. Stick around, like, comment, subscribe, let me know what you think. I enjoy being very interactive with everybody. This is all about the Volkswagen community, helping out, sharing knowledge. You know what? We all have something to share. So let's make the community even better by sharing it. Till next time, guys, be good.